This video covers section 4.1, solving systems of linear equations by graphing. Objective 1, determine whether an ordered pair is a solution of a system of linear equations. A system of linear equations is a grouping of two or more linear equations where each equation contains one or more variables. An example of a system of two equations and two unknowns is 2x minus 6y equals 6 and negative 2x plus 4y equal negative 4. Each of those linear equations have their own solutions. We're wondering if we have a solution like 2, 0, and a solution of a system of equations consists of values of the variables, so values for x and y, that satisfy each equation in the system. So what that means is we want this x equal to 2 and y equal to 0. We want it to work out in both equations. If it does, we say that's the solution of the system. If it doesn't work out in both equations, then it's not a solution to the system. So we plug it in to the first equation and get 2 times 2 is 4, minus 6 times 0. 4 minus 0 is 4, and we were wondering if it was equal to 6, and it's not. So it's not even a solution to the first equation, so we can go ahead and stop and say, no, 2, 0 is not a solution to the system. Is 0, negative 1 a solution to the system? We plug it into the first equation by setting x equal to 0 and y equal to negative 1, and we get 2 times 0 minus 6 times negative 1. That's 0 plus 6 equals 6, so it works in the first equation. The second equation is negative 2 times 0 plus 4 times negative 1. That's 0 minus 4, which is also negative 4. And so now we can see that 0, negative 1 is a solution to the system. Lastly, is negative 4, negative 3 a solution to the system? If I plug in x equal to negative 4 and y equal to negative 3, to be a solution, it should work in both equations. We plug it into the first one, 2 times x minus 6 times y. That's negative 8 plus 18, which is 10, and that doesn't equal 6. It's not a solution to the first equation, so therefore it can't be a solution to the system. Has to work in both. This concludes the video for section 4.1, solving systems of linear equations by graphing. Objective 1, determine whether an ordered pair is a solution of a system of linear equations.